Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are back with SampleSunday. I know I missed last week. Last week was actually homecoming for my oldest son, my youngest son. Actually, he graduated, so it was for his girlfriend. So anyway, we did homecoming, and so this weekend we are back, but unfortunately I will not be here next weekend. I will be traveling. It's going on a little trip, so I'm very excited. I'm going to actually meet somebody that I've met here on YouTube. Cannot wait to meet her. You guys may or may not remember her. So it is Liv from Liv Loves Her Makeup. I'm going to meet her, so I'm very, very excited about that. So I won't be here for next Sunday, Sample Sunday, so I will continue it for the following Sunday. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into, my chair is crooked or something, or my butt's crooked. It's probably my butt. So let's go ahead and get into the samples I tried over this past 2 weeks ish. So I put them in this container. You guys remember this container I did in my dollar makeup haul from Shop Miss A. So it's the one that has a mirror on top here, and then it's got this container. I just thought it was a great way to keep my samples, and it kind of reminds me to use them because I keep it on my vanity at all times. So the first thing in here was this. This was the S.O.S Gently Warming Facial Steam Mask. So it's not a full mask, so it's only like a half of a mask. You put this on with I did with it. I'm not sure this is what they would recommend, because I think what they recommend that you do is actually take a bath with it, so that the steam from your bath or the steam from your shower helps to make the mask activated. I used a facial steamer. I love using a facial steamer lately, especially because I feel like it helps to unclog my pores. Plus it just feels amazing because I have major sinus issues. So I love the way this works because it really warmed up on my skin. I didn't have any kind of reaction with it as far as like negative reaction. So I really did enjoy this. I wish it was a full mask, but I can see why it probably wouldn't be a good idea to have it all over your face, because I mean, towards your eyes and things like that, it's probably not going to feel the best. But I really enjoyed this, so I definitely would purchase one of these. So that was very cool to try out. The next thing is the Vapour. This is the Lip Nectar. I love this. I use this a lot in my purse. I had it in my purse. It is such a beautiful wash of color. Let me show you. It's just a beautiful wash of color. So if you're looking for a lip product that's just like easy going, you don't have to worry about putting a lot of effort into it. You just put it on your lips and you kind of go. This is perfect. So I really like this. I don't think I need to buy a full size though, because I'm pretty sure this is a full size. So the only thing about it is I don't love the smell to it. I think it smells a little bit like kind of like old chapstick or something. It just doesn't have a pleasant smell to it. It's not that it's bad, it just smells not the best. Then we have this right here. This is a perfume sample. This is the Pinrose. This is the Hidden Treasure Peony, Lavender, and Sandalwood. I didn't love this. I don't know if it's the lavender, because I'm not a huge lavender fan. I don't love the way that lavender smells. I like it when it's mixed with other things, as long as it's not the top like smell that you smell. And I feel like this was very prominent in this, so I didn't love that. Then we have this. This is the Man-Made. This is the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is in Sweet Tobacco. I thought for sure I was going to love this because I love like tobacco scented like perfumes and stuff. No, this is like a gross scent, and it's like really thick, like honey. Like it literally feels like honey when you're pouring it out. I don't love the way this smells at all. It's got too much of the honey into it, and I am not a honey fan. If you love the smell of honey, then you're probably going to love this. But for me, it's a no. It's a no-no. Then we have, this. This is the Wish. It is the Honey Balm. So again, I thought it was going to smell like honey, but it doesn't. It's got a very pleasant, almost like a spa-like scent to it. It's just a balm you put on, and then when I put it on, what I did was I slept with it all night on. Oh my gosh, my skin felt so amazing the next morning, so I really, really love this. So you can, it says leave it on, or make sure you rub it until it's fully absorbed. I don't technically do that sometimes, especially at nighttime. I will put it on like really thick and then sleep with it on like that, so I kind of like feel a little bit slimy, but it sinks in throughout the night, and then my skin is not dry in the morning, so I like that a lot. Then I use this nail polish. This is the Essie, and it's in the shade, oh my gosh, Sugarplum Fairytale, I think is what it's called. This is a beautiful polish when you put it on, especially when you go out into the sunlight, because it has that reflectiveness where it looks purple, it looks like a yellowish tone, sometimes it looks like it's bluish. It's a very beautiful polish. I love the way it wore on my nails. It wore for a very long time without me having to worry about taking it off. The only problem I had was taking it off. When I started taking it off, I realized there was a little bit of glitter to it, and sometimes when you have glitter in your polish, it's a little bit harder to remove. So it did take a little bit of effort to get it off of my nails, but it's beautiful and it lasted for a long time. I'm sure the reason why it lasted for a while is because it does have a little bit of that glitter into it. For some reason, glitter polish lasts on your nails longer. I don't know why, but it just does. So I really like that, and I would definitely consider purchasing the full size, especially if they had more different colors, because I love this purple, but I would love to have like a blue like that, or like a pink. I don't know, it's really pretty. Then we have the Ouai. This is the body cream. I tried this before, I think. I'm pretty sure I have. I don't love this. I'm like, it's an okay body cream, but for the price that you pay for the Ouai products, I wouldn't recommend this as one of the products that you would purchase, because it's just a typical body cream in my opinion. It does nothing special. It doesn't really smell that great. If you want something that smells fantastic, go ahead and get the Pistache body cream, or get the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom. Both of those smell absolutely amazing. This is just very typical, very plain, not impressed. Then we have the Josie Maran. This is the Pineapple Enzyme Pore Clearing Cleanser. It's like a tongue twister. So I really like this, but I felt like it had a little bit of a tingling sensation. So if you are very sensitive, if your skin is very sensitive, I'm not sure you're going to like this. I don't know if it's because it's got the fruit enzymes in there or what's going on, but it did have a little bit of a tingling sensation. My face felt very clean afterwards, but it does tingle. So I'm not sure I would purchase it, just because I'm like, okay, I'm not sure if that's good for my skin, because I already have not the greatest skin in the first place. So it was good. I like the way it cleaned. I don't like the tingle, because the tingle was a little intense. Then we have the Bumble. I can speak, I promise. This is the Bumble Repair Treatment. It says it's supposed to repair your hair. I liked it. Again, it's one of those things where I think you'd have to use it more than one time. I typically, when I wash my hair, I only wash my hair twice a week. So what I try to do is wash it twice in the shower and then condition it once. So I wash it twice, and then so that's why this only lasts me one time. I should have, if I was smart, washed my hair once with something else and then went in again with this one, but I didn't. So for me, I just didn't notice a huge difference where I would be like, yes, I need to purchase that. I think it was good. Just didn't knock my socks off. And then the other perfume is the Atelier. This is the Clementine, California. If you want to smell like an orange, or if you want to smell like Christmas time, because to me, I associate oranges with Christmas, that's what this smells like. It is a beautiful scent, but it's not something that I absolutely love. I used to love more orangey scents, like perfumes. I remember Pacifica. I think it was Pacifica had one that was really, really good. I think Liv actually got me started on it. And so I really like that one, but this one just, I don't know. I'm not a huge Atelier perfume fan. I feel like a lot of them are just a little bit not my cup of tea. All right, let's kind of move on to our new samples. So let's kind of pull perfumes first. We do have new perfumes. As you guys saw, my huge like freebies or my gifts with purchases haul. So I now have new items that I've added to the baskets, as well as your basket. Your basket is jam-packed. So let's kind of pull our two perfumes. The first perfume is Euphoria by Calvin Klein. Ooh, fancy. The next one is Calvin Klein Defy. So we have two Calvin Klein, so we can kind of put them head to head, see which one is better. All right, now moving on to makeup. Let's pull two out of the makeup basket. Let's see, the first one is NARS. We have the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade, what does that say? Dragon Girl. Let's see what this looks like. My dogs are snoring. Can you hear them? They're so cute. Alright, oof, that's a bright red. Oh my goodness. That is definitely not going to be the tone of this one. This one's going to be super, yeah, that's very bright. Okay, so I'll try that out. Hopefully it's a blue-based red. I can't really tell right now. It looks like it might be, because blue-based reds at least make your teeth look whiter. Alright, now let's go and get one more. The next one is, let's see. Ooh, let's put one back. I don't have many makeup samples. Otherwise, I'd be like, yeah, let's just do two. Let's do the extra. But I don't have that many. So let's see. We have the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Longwear Foundation. So it says it's a $20 foundation, which is a really good price. We have 6 different color choices to choose from here. Hopefully, I can find one that's going to complement my skin tone. I am excited. It says it's undetectable, medium buildable coverage with a lightweight feel. Improves the look of skin over time. Ooh, anti-pollution. So that's exciting. Ooh, that scared me. All right, let's do hair and body. Look how full this basket is. Oh my gosh. Hair and body. Let's pull 3 out of here. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna grab. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna be dropping down my shirt and everything else. Okay. Looks like we have the Matrix Keep Me Vivid shampoo and conditioner. So we have that sample. The next one is, I'm just pulling from the back. We have Kopari. This is the Pink Souffle Body Mask. It helps to detoxify, clarify, and brighten. This basket, I'm like shaking trying to hold it. It's so heavy. And then the last one is, let's see, what do we have here? What's this? Oh my gosh, that's heavy. We have the Fekkai CBD Calming Supreme Oil. It's for your scalp and for your body. So skibidi. A CBD oil for your hair and your scalp and your body. Okay, let's see what it smells like. That's always interesting. I don't smell anything, so okay, that's cool. All right, now let's move on to skin. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy my dogs weren't close because I probably would have knocked one of them out with that sample pack. All right, let's move on to skincare. Let's pull 3 out of here. The first one is, let's see, Mario Badescu Cleansing Oil. So we have a cleansing oil. The next one is, let's see, we have Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Ooh, that's fancy. And then the last one is, let's see, let's find a good one here. Digging down. Ooh, what do we got? Oh my gosh, these baskets are going to be really heavy for a while. I need to get like a lifting thing for them so they can just lift themselves up. We have the Lancome UV Expert Aquagel Defense 50. It's a sunscreen, so which is perfect since I'm going to visit my friend. A good sunscreen is definitely going to be needed. So I think that's all the samples I need. Yes, those are mine. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the sample giveaway. So it's this bag right here, which is a Halloween bag. Also, happy Halloween, guys. So this one is super cute. It looks perfect for today. It would have been last week, but you guys know I am a great YouTuber. All right, let's go ahead and pull up the video so I can find the winner here. Here we go. Sample Sunday. Let's go to the comment section. And we're going to scroll. And stop. The winner is Susan. Oof, I apologize. It is, above that would be, let's see, yes, CRG Tuttles. She says, good morning to all. The products I have been trying out are the ones that I got for our birthday. Our e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops and NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Sorbet and All My Skin Perfecting Comfort Matte Foundation and Neutral Buff. Hashtag SampleSunday, hashtag number 5. So you have been using e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops. Are they good for dry skin? You have to let us know if they're good for dry skin because I have super dry skin, and if they're really good for dry skin, I want to try them. So CRG Tuttles, this is your goodie bag. So all you have to do is look in the description box, find my email address, and send me your mailing address, and I'll mail this out to you. So congratulations to CRG Tuttles. And let's go to Ulta and let's figure out what was on my wish list for the number 5. Ulta doesn't want to add. He doesn't want to pull up. It says no. Awesome. Okay. 2, 4, 5. So we are at the, what is wrong with my phone? Okay, it's the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. I've been wanting to try this foundation. I'm not sure why my thing is so washed out. But either way, I've been wanting to try this foundation. It says it's got 1,165 reviews and 4.5 stars. So it must be some pretty good foundation. It's only $15.99. It has SPF 50 in it. It has vitamin B3 and it is a hydrating serum. So I am very excited about that. So thank you so much to CRG Tuttles for choosing my product that I'm going to be choosing from Ulta. I was trying to figure out what I was trying to say. Let's see how many more items do we have to choose from on the list. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9 now. So 9. So this week's will be 9. So when you choose the items, when you hashtag the number, it'll be 1 through 9. I couldn't think. Oh my gosh, I'm like, my brain is not working today for some reason. It's probably because I have a clown on my head. That's probably what it is. All right, let's kind of move on to the giveaway for this week. So the giveaway bag is this one right here. This is a cute Kate Spade little bag. It is like plastic so that you're able to use this to put things in, that you can wipe it down. It says out to lunch, so you could technically use this as a lunch bag. And it does have the little zipper closer on here, and it's just white on the inside, or cream. All right, so let's choose our samples. We're going to put 10 samples in here, and you wait till you see the goodie bag basket. Yes, you wait till you see this. I had to put it over here because it couldn't even fit into where I normally set it. So let me see if I can grab it. Oh my gosh, look at the basket. It's very full. So I'm just going to choose 10 items and put them in your bag. All right, so the first one is, let's see. Oh my gosh. We have Too Faced Hangover RX. So that is one of my favorite primers. It smells like coconut, like true coconut. The next one is Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream. So here's a Clinique cream. The next one is, let's see. Oh my gosh, I just dropped stuff. This is the Amazing Grace Firming Body Emulsion. Let's see. I was going to pick that up, but I'm afraid to, because I'm afraid if I move, this whole basket's going to tumble. The next one is, let's see. This is the Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Oat. The next one is, let's see, that's 3 I think so far, isn't it? I'm dropping more stuff. 4. The next one is, oh my gosh, I got a couple things here, so whatever it is. We have the Estee Lauder Foundation, as well as the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner. So there's 5 more to go. The next one is, oh my gosh, nothing more. This is the Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. So I wish my camera wouldn't like blow things out sometimes. Then let's see, the next one, more stuff's dropping. We have the Redken Dry Shampoo. So that's 7. 3 more to go, guys. Oh my gosh. These things are just falling everywhere. The next one is, ooh, this is the NARS Bronzing Powder in Laguna. So here's a little NARS bronzing powder. 2 more. Let's see. I'm trying not to drop any more. The next one is Proactive Pore Targeting Treatment. I blew it out. I do apologize. Then the last one is, let's see. Let's make it a good one. Make it a, what is this? Something big. Oh, we just did that one. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping more. The next one is, let's see, what do we got here? We have the Versace Eau de Toilette. So here's the Versace perfume. So there is everything in the goodie bag. And like I said, this is actually like a lunch bag that you can use as well. So if you're interested in winning this goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment. Any comment. You can let me know how your weather's been, if you have any trips planned for this fall, or yeah, we're in fall now. If you have any trips planned for fall, or if you are using your samples, anything you want to tell me, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you hashtag SampleSunday and then choose a number 1 through 9. That way there I can choose an item off my Ulta wish list, and we can finish that Ulta wish list. We have 9 items left. Can you believe it? I think the wish list started out with like 30. That's bananas. So anyway, I'd love to hear what kind of samples you guys are using. As always, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.